So at this point, we've decided to turn around. Now we're staying here, second to take a photo.
In there?
No, I'm taking a video.
Oh.
So
That's what Red Rum in the bottom of Howe Caverns. He picked up his phone, he's like, people are like, you got reception? He goes, yeah, AT&T, looks great.
see how far we've come. Tunnel
All right.
opening's very small
where are we
there.
going to stand for our group shot?
Did you find a little ledge on the wall to put it on?
They actually have reception.
Here.
Yeah.
How about I'm going to put it
I have
on
one bar.
this rock?
This rock is,
Okay.
We're just setting up the camera for the group shot while in the cave. It's a very small dot down there.
Okay, all I have is feet. I need a better rock.
you can do a feet.
I can't find any rocks.
Want a foot shot like Manunka?
That's once we get up. We gotta go through the wet spot again.
You could like put it right in. No, that would fall. Never mind.
Why don't we just grab? I need a big strong man to grab that rock and put it on top of that one. Pile them all up, right?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, okay. Joe, you are so smart. I'm gonna do one with flash and then one without a flash. This first
I'll be hiding behind Carl.
Over here. You can go right in front.
We're working on setting up the camera for the group shot right now.
Whoa, easy, Joe. Oh,
Throw rocks again.
you're gonna create a landslide.
Line it up here.
Okay, now you get over there.
Not much light.
I got. Okay.
That doesn't work.
That was Kevin. He can't defend himself. So.
You need to make it flatter.
Yeah, that rock that Joe gave me didn't work.
Oh, hell.
Oh, that's pretty flat. Why don't we all try to find the piece that fell out of there? 5 hours later.
Sweet.
$5 came down to sleep in the car.
Okay, too close together.
Carl's spot.
I'm gonna put Carl. I'm gonna put between the shoulders.
There's not a lot.
Wait, I
Good
lied.
one!
I lied.
I was looking down. There's not a lot
You
of
want
room
our
here.
flashlights on or not, or?
No, the first one is gonna be with the flash, so. So, and then the second one we'll do flashlights without the flash.
Yeah, I need something to focus, though. I need some light to focus. That should be good.
That's my eye.
I'm trying to shine above.
You're blinding us.
I'm
There
sorry.
goes, there goes.
We don't want you here, Karen.
Let me see.
Did it come out? No.
It didn't really, it came out, but it's like, it looks really bad.
Well, we know who we are in the picture.
No, you can tell who we are, it's just like, the picture is weird.
You're weird.
Thanks.
We're all weird. We're in a tunnel. I'm very interstate.
Okay, now get your flashlights up.
Pardon me?
Flashlights up, because I'm gonna take the flash off.
Cell phone. Hey, that's my eye, Lenny.
Yeah. Well, he is banging.
They just put it on.
Oh. Jeez.
Let's see how that looked.
Turn the brightness on my phone. I'm gonna blind people.
It looks weird, but it looks pretty cool.
Stupid.
I can't see anything, my glasses blocked.
Oh well.
I don't know the stupid kind of.
My cell phone was never worked.
You need us to move closer?
Yeah.
I have nothing to lean on.
I know, it's in his head mountain.
With
I
the
said
flash
I
or
just tried
without?
to set it up, we just run.
With the flash or without?
I don't care.
Guys?
I haven't set it.
Compare the two and you decide.
With the flash, closer, everybody get closer with the flash. That's 7
All
feet,
as close as possible.
that's 7 feet. That's the flash.
Staring at that thing between the two.
I don't know.
I'm gonna get like,
Yeah, let's come.
whoops.
Oh.
My bad. Let me see if we got.
Key. Right.
Well, we're gonna do this with the
More?
Coleman lantern with us and just set it all around.
2, 3.
Oh.
1, 2, 4.
It's blinking.
Okay, everyone has to get down a little bit. Okay. That probably works. Okay, we're missing half of Kathy and Joe completely. Yes! Okay, so now we're gonna do, okay, just everyone get really close to me. Okay, this works. If we do it in a line, everyone kind of line up, and it'll work. Everyone just get your faces just in, you're getting out of the line.
What are you doing?
Yeah, just Carl, get back in the line.
Oh, where'd Carl come from?
Everyone's in the line? Not really. Here we go.
Ow, that hurt.
You think it's up too high? Let me try again. Okay, here we go.
Ow, that hurt.
All right, it worked. Yeah.
Evidently we got our picture, now we're heading out. See you on the top side.